Aloy Ejimakor wey be the lead counsel for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we all know him as the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. On Thursday, wey be the 8th day of August for inside this year 2024, he don come outside the yarn give the general public say the continued detention of the Biafra agitator wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is becoming mysterious. So say this man matter don dey turn something be say e don pass physical something, and he say calamity go fall on those people wey dey responsible for im continued detention. And e no end there o. Oga Aloy Ejimakor im talk plenty on top the matter, and I go give you the details one after the other. But meanwhile, e get another interesting information wey I wan share give the general public, and the koko na about the leader of the Biafra Republic government in exile wey be Mr. Simon Ekpa. He don come outside now dey yarn dey give the southeast governors and the minister of works wey be Dave Umahi, sake of say they go dey yarn dey give general public say na dem dey responsible for the decision of the people of the zone as they take shun the hunger protest. That is, na because of them now na Igbo people comot body from this nationwide protest, and because of them na make Igbo people no participate. Now Oga Simon Ekpa don come outside dey yarn dey give them make dem hold am there, when they stop that careless capping. They are not making sense, no because of them anything, and he can't drop the reasons wetin make Igbo people true comot body from this nationwide protest. Without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I give you the details of this information. So, and the story be say Aloy Ejimakor wey be the lead counsel of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he don drop strong warning say calamity go fall on those people wey dey responsible for the continued detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And you see, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na man we don see shege for the hands of the federal government since for the year 2021. He don dey for the detention of the Department of State Services, and na for inside Kenya na dem gbab am come the country Nigeria. Now upon say court don drop order say make the Nigerian government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yet they no gree. They don decide say lie they no go lis ten to the court. They don decide say dem big pass court. You understand? Because even as court drop order, the Nigerian government they refuse to grant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in freedom. So while Nnamdi Kanu now they locked up by the Department of State Services, maybe DSS, for inside Abuja, Aloy Ejimakor can drop statements, and entitled the statement "The Uncanny Mysteries of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's Ordeal." For inside the statement now, Aloy Ejimakor dey yarn say plenty people now they don't know the truth. They don't know about April 2005. Obasanjo arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on his way back to the UK after him visit his parents for inside Umuahia. The only reason given by the DSS for the arrest was that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be the ask for Biafra. That is the only reason why they arrest him. Then after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don spend nearly 1 month for solitary confinement for inside the Department of State Services, the headquarters for inside Lagos, they can later transfer him to Abuja. But last they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, making return to the United Kingdom. Obasanjo can complete in tenure in peace, and he can grow the Nigerian economy. Then President Jonathan can enter. Now this man no even bother to arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, despite say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they go up and down, they agitate for Biafra. Jonathan no even bother him. The man serve his own term too. He serve in tenure in relative peace, and he make our country Nigeria the #1 economy for inside Africa. Then Muhammadu Buhari can enter, and all of us know how our country be like. All of us know the kind shege we been see under the administration of Muhammadu Buhari, will be the renditioner in chief. And now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu still they persist, still they continue with their unjust persecution of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now he say your guess about the matter is as good as his. No say all these one my good people, they come from Aloy Ejimakor, and he consider yarn for inside his statement. Say the ordeal of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in condition they prove say spiritual realm na mystery to many, and this truth now na self-evidence. That is, Nnamdi Kanu matter just dey explain himself dey go on the spiritual levels. the more you keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention, the more your tenure or your administration go dey face one palava or the other, either directly or by proxy. This na mystery, but na the truth, na the gospel truth. So if you want make country better, na to just free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and seek the face of God. All this one, my good people, they come from Aloy Ejimako. He arrange am for inside in statement, and this in statement entitled am The Uncanny Mysteries of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's Ordeal. So on to the next information I bring come for you, my good people. You know, say reports dey ground say the Southeast governors, maybe Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State, Governor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State, and Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, alongside the Minister of Works, maybe Dave Umahi, they can't take responsibility. They say na them dey responsible for the decision of Igbo people to shun the nationwide protest. Say na them be the main reason why Igbo people come up body for the protest. However, my good people, Simon Ekpa, as in hear this talk, he no sit down well with am at all. He no enter proper for him ear. He no like am. Now he can drop statements about the matter. And this in statement so, he post am for an official social media handle for the popular social media platform we all of us know as X. Simon Ekpa can dey urge the general public to make them disregard. To make them no mind that way Governor Peter Mba, Governor Soludo, Governor Uzodinma, and Dave Umahi dey yarn. It's not them they responsible for that. Make them not just mind them at all. Instead, the decision of Igbo people not to join the protest now because of their commitment to the actualization of Biafra's liberation from Nigeria. That's now why they no join body for the nationwide protest. Not because of any governor, not because of any Minister of Works. Simon Ekpa constantly yarn say now the Biafra Republic government in exile, maybe BRUGIE, now call the Igbo people. Say make they no put body for this nationwide protest because Nigeria matter no concern them. And as the BRUGIE yarn finish, they record 100% compliance for inside the Southeast region. That is, Igbo people then concur, they listen to wetin in yarn. And no be like say he want take credit. Say na he make the call, na he make Igbo people they no put body. No, in they let the general public they know say na Igbo people by their self, based on say they know what is involved, based on say they pursue a higher purpose, and they know very well say this nationwide protest it no go benefit them in any way. And make them kukuma relax. All their energy now they channel them towards the direction of the actualization of Biafra. So this, my good people, now the informate where Asimeka pass give the general public. Anyhow the team be you for body, they are free to drop it inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our legit information on the things and things where they happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you would like to receive news like this, you are free to subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they bring another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.